Here I have XIAOMI Mi Mix 2S, and today I'm going to show you how to enable SwiftKey autocorrection feature on this device. So firstly, you'll have to open settings, then you have to go to the additional settings, then languages and input, manage keyboards, and go to the Gboard settings, then to text correction, and here you have this option autocorrection. Correct words while typing. If you have it disabled, just enable it here, and now your words will be automatically corrected while you type. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.